Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking delicious fried rice. So guys, I'm going to be taking you guys through how I make my own fried rice. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you watch the video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up. So stay tuned and enjoy the step-by-step process.
Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about how what we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, if I'm not to go, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. Bad man breeze. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. I knew some cooking job, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, if I'm not to go, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. One judge, you know, I just can't far about the catcher, my lucky to you. Language, you know, but will I ship a see you lay it to you to watch upon the loud. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about how what we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, if I'm not to go, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. Bad man breeze. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. I knew some cooking job, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, if I'm not to go, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. One judge, you know, I just can't far about the catcher, my lucky to you. Language, you know, but will I ship a see you lay it to you to watch upon the loud. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about how what we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, if I'm not to go, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump.
Okay guys, so for this particular fried rice, I'm going to be using turkey wings and chicken gizzard, and this is because I will be needing the stock later to cook the fried rice. So to cook the turkey wings and the chicken gizzard, so I will be needing garlic cloves, ginger, fresh turmeric, curry powder, thyme, Maggie cube, all-purpose seasoning, and also salt to taste. Yeah, so with this type of fried rice, I know some people will prefer to use chicken stock, but for me, I prefer to use the turkey and the chicken gizzard. There's no different though. I think there's no different, but it's just me. Another thing is that I've noticed people use liver to cook, fried rice and stuff. And I used to wondering that it's going to be very hard or something, but for me, I don't really like using that. I prefer, gizzard or chicken breast. So guys, I'm going to put the link on how I cooked, the turkey wings and the gizzard together on the description box below. Oh, okay, so in here, as you can see, the turkey has been cooked. I've transferred it in the oven, so I'm bringing out the chicken gizzard now, and so that I can use the stock to cook the fried rice.
Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Basasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set it table, call the family, make we gather, make we chop. Okay. So many times I do wonder, waiting they make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Basasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set it table, call the family, make we gather, make we chop. Okay. So many times I do wonder, waiting they make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. You wake up on your bed. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Basasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set it table, call the family, make we gather, make we chop. Onja jino, eje ka farabale, ka joja umala bitu. Language number will let you see you lay it to ya to watch your body low. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Basasi, patika, iko. Every rep to me, set it table, call the family, make we gather, make we chop. Onja jino, eje ka farabale, ka joja umala bitu. Language number will let you see you lay it to ya to watch your body low. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it.
So guys, so we've come to the end of the video now. I hope you like what you see. I hope you enjoyed this video all through. Please, I'm reminding you guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share my video. Bye bye.